Good morning, children. Myself Jagruti Bhatia from Dr. PVT Primary Girls School English Medium. Today we learn subject ENV looking around. I hope you all are safe and fine at home. Look, what is this? Yes, we all know that it is a house where we live. It is protect us from heat, cold, wild animal, etc. There are different kinds of room like living room, bedroom, study room, dining room, kitchen. Look, where do we cook food? Yes, we all know that we cook food in the kitchen. So today we learn lesson number 10 about kitchen. Our mother cooks food in the kitchen. She uses condiments. Condiments means masala. We use the masalas like salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, mustard seeds, cumin, coriander seeds powder, etc. Our food is tasty because of masalas are in the kitchen. Especially without salt, our food is tasteless because salt is very necessary to add in all dishes. We make food by cooking grains, pulses, various vegetables, etc. We also use fruit as food. We need food to live. Food is our primary needs. Without food, our life is not possible. We get energy from food. We required energy to do any kind of activities or works. Look at the picture. Color the space which have dots in them. What do you see? Look here. We can see different kinds of utensils that we use in our kitchen like kadhai, ladle, pot, tawa, spatula, fry pan, pressure cooker. We use a frying spoon to remove puris or pakoda from the pan. Do you know why our puri and pakoda increase their size? Yes, because when we fry it, the present water in puri change into water vapor. So during process of frying, it's increase size. But after some time, it's decrease in size because it cool down. We also use spatula to roasting chapati in tawa. We use pressure cooker to boil pulses, potatoes. We also make rice, khichdi, sabji in pressure cooker. We use pot for water. Earlier time, at that time no any kind of facilities, but they were use earthen utensils made from wood or clay. But now some changes. Here the name of utensil that we use in our house like idli pot, steamer, grill pan, saucer pan. What are utensils made of? Our utensils made from different kinds of materials like steel, iron, copper, glass, bronze and earthen pot. We also use so many utensils made from aluminium. For example, kadhai, pressure cooker, big handle bowl, etc. Some utensils have wooden or plastic spatula or handle wood does not get heated up very fast and we can hold our vessel and cook very easily. What do we eat raw? What do we eat cooked? Yes, we do not cook all the things that we eat. Find out which things we eat raw and which one we cook before eating. Which are the things we eat both cooked and raw? Fill in the table given below. So here the list of things that are eaten raw, that are eaten cooked, and that are both raw and cooked. So first, the list of things that are eaten raw, like tomato, cucumber, onion, carrot, radish. Now second, things that are eaten cooked, for example dal, roti, rice, brinjal, lady's finger. Here the example of things that are eaten both raw and cooked, like tomato, onion, cabbage, carrot and radish. Now look here. Here they mention the process of chapati. Have you seen a chapati being made in a kitchen or anywhere else? There are so many things to be done for this: taking out flour in a utensil, kneading it into a dough, making some balls of the dough, rolling out the balls and then cooking it on fire. After all this, the chapati reaches your plate after so much of efforts. Now look here. Here the mention the different method of cooking. We use the roasting, boiling, frying, baking and steaming method to make so many food items. Here the picture of the roasting method. We roasting the roti and papad on gas. We also use the method of boiling to boil the eggs and potato. We also use the frying method to make pakoda and jalebi. We also use the baking method to bake the cake and biscuit. We also use the steaming method to make the idli and khammans. Now look here. Here the picture of chula, gas stove, primus, coal stove, solar cooker, electric hot plate, etc. are used for cooking food. We use wood, cow dung cake, kerosene, gas, electricity, coal and solar energy as fuel for cooking. Look here, gas stove is working because of gas is in gas cylinder. Without gas it is not never burns. At home we use LPG gas. LPG full form is liquefied petroleum gas. Look, this is a picture of primus. It is burned because fuel kerosene is in it. Kerosene oil burn and produce fire over which we cook our food. Look, here coal stove is burned because of fuel coal is in it. The coal burns and become hot over which we cook our food. Coal produce lots of smoke. Now look here, this is a electric plate. Electricity makes the heater coil hot and food is cooked over it. Electrical heater is also called an electrical appliances. When it is hot, look like this, its color is red and yellow. Look here the picture of the plate. We also use some electrical appliances that are used in our kitchen like micro oven, mixer grinder, roti maker, electric kettle, sandwich maker, toaster and electric gas. Look, this is a chula. Chula is burned only because of wood, cow dung, cakes, etc. Wood and cow dung cake burn to produce fire and food is cooked over it. Now look, this is a picture of solar cooker. It is a working through sunlight. Sunlight makes the glass hot in this solar cooker and food gets cooked inside it. The benefit of using solar cooker is that since energy is obtained directly from sun, fuel is saved. Food cooked and steamed with the help of solar energy is most nutritious and healthy. Food cooked in a solar cooker, it is maintain its original taste and qualities, and food is easy to digest, but it is not possible without sunlight. It is also take more time to cook food. That's why rare people use solar cooker to cook food, because nowadays life is very hard and fast. We have no more time. We all are totally busy in our work and we require energy to do work. Now we learn what are fuel, because without it not possible to make food. Fuel are something that burn and gives heat energy and which is used to cook our food. For example, kerosene, LPG gas, cow dung cake, wood, electricity, coal, sunlight. Now look here. We learn here something we can prepare without cooking, like lemon water, fruit dish and lassi. We prepare without cooking. First of all, we mix sugar in water, then add lemon juice in sugar water, then stir it. Our lemon water is ready. Now we make here fruit dish. First of all we dice various food. Then after we add salt, sugar and chaat masala. Then we mix all the things well. Then after our fruit dish is ready. Now we make the lassi. First of all I take 1 cup curd, add sugar in it. Then after I add small ice cube. Then after blend in a mixture. Then our lassi is ready. Now look here. One activity done from some children. They prepare their dishes themselves. You also prepare some dish and take photo and stick your photo in ENV notebook and write the method of your dish below of your photo. Now I hope you can understand this lesson very well. Bye bye. Thanks for watching my video. Take care.